All right, we are live. Let me know how everything is looking on the um, live edu and Twitch side.
hmm Live video is the voice is on. Haven't seen anything.
No, don't tell me we're back on not seeing anything. You don't see anything now?
I see it. I see it now. It's working. Everything's fine.
Oh, okay, cool. No, because he said cool. Never mind. Okay. So, good evening, Stevens.
Good evening, Avi.
So we are on session 19.
Yes.
Um, Hours and hours and hours of content.
Yes.
Um, and we have been working for the last 3 or 4 sessions on Gong.
Mm-hmm.
And for the last 2 sessions, I guess, we've been refactoring so
Yes.
that Gong, and also just to recap, let's open up the browser here. Um, Gong. And then we have the project here, and then we have releases. So
Okay.
we had 1.0 release 3 days ago, which was basically a working version of the command line. But the code was very bad. I mean, it,
Okay.
it essentially was, a one-off kind of thing, where literally we were, just putting things out there and making sure that our assumptions are correct.
Yep.
And that was fun, but we ended up passing along the reference to Jira client a lot. Um,
Yep.
and in the last couple of sessions or last 3 sessions, we have been working on making that interface generic so that
Yep.
you'll be able to plug in a pivotal tracker client and you'll be able to plug in any type of client that you want as long as you respect the interface. Then you will be able to essentially support any number of clients. Because what happens is that there is a wrapper client, and that wrapper client wraps around the generic client. So you can have the Jira client, and you can have the Pivotal Tracker client, and you can have the GitHub client, and you can have whatever you want. And it's fully supported to be as dynamic as possible.
Mm-hmm.
Um, there are a few things that are still a question. One of them is the hard coding of the two transitions that we go through with the Jira client. So we have the ready and start.
Right.
So this is still yet, because I only have, one Jira, and I don't really have another Jira to query. Then for me, it's really unclear whether this is default and you didn't really, you never touch it, or every time you install Jira, then you need to change those. So I don't know, and if it is, then it's not a huge problem because our client already supports a dynamic client configuration,
Mm-hmm.
which basically means that the client can get any number of auth fields. So one of these auth fields will be, for example, if we want to, one of these auth fields will be initial transitions, for example. And then in initial transitions, what you will do when you're prompted, you will do like new and start or whatever. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So we are already kind of there with in terms of support. One thing that I've actually done today, which is off the stream, is I ran GoLint on the entire project. And GoLint is essentially, a style, syntax checker, stuff like that. And what I've done is I've just fixed the entire project of linting. All of the
What kind of mistake? Because there's no syntax error for
no,
sure.
of course it's not syntax error. It wouldn't compile. But for example, this was one time I called this F, one time I called it C, one time I called it F, one time I called it receiver. I made some methods private that were previously public. I added comments. Okay, OBS is now back, so sorry about that. The stream got disconnected. All right, so now we're back and OBS is working. So let's hope it will be smooth from now on. All right. So in terms of what we really need to do and what we want to work on. So gone comment we already have. What we want is the Git message hook. So this is prepare commit message.
What's the difference between comment and hook? This doesn't.
So here's the deal. When you do comment, you basically say gong. So echo, this is my comment, and then you pipe that into a gong comment, right?
Yep.
When I say commit hook, that basically says when I do git commit something like so, right? Then what this will do, it will attach the ticket ID to that commit message.
So when you commit, the commit will go into Git and GitHub. Well, it will go into Git, right?
Yeah, it will go into Git, but the thing is, it will do everything I want it to do, but the commit will just before it finishes the commit process, it will just add a link to that ticket ID, and then with a link back to the Jira ticket or the pivotal tracker ticket, and so on and so forth.
So is this supposed to be part of Jira comment because it adds a comment?
No, man, you're not listening. This is not going to Jira. This is going to Git.
All right.
So there's two processes. One is comment, which basically adds the comment to the Jira ticket.
Yes.
And one is commit hook, which when you do git commit, it adds a link on the commit to the Jira ticket.
I see that. Now I see that.
Okay. So there's two different things. And it basically, it's like that, right? So let me open the browser here. So let's say I open, you know what? Let's take this commit, for example, right? And you see this, the commit message is linting, right? So the commit message will be this. So let me open that. So it will be a message, for example, and then it will be this, but it will also have the link to Jira like so, and then I don't know, 11111, and then this will be a link, right? So it will literally add this to every commit message we have. Dimitri and Kraken are David81 and S4 Codex. Welcome to the stream, all of you. As always, if you have questions, then let us know. All right, so all I need to do is git commit linting, right? I don't really need to do that, but this will be done automatically for me. You see what I'm saying?
No, I see what you mean now. So he adds the right ticket and the URL to the ticket to the commit message, correct?
Exactly. So this is the thing that we want to do. We want the Git message hook, which is not actually a message hook. It's a Git commit hook. And then we also have the token 01. Welcome to the stream. Let us know if you have questions. Live EDU support. Welcome to the stream. Let us know if you have questions. So,
That's
so
a bot. I think that's a bot.
no, it's not a bot. It's a it's a real person. Yeah. Um,
Alright.
yeah, they helped a lot. I don't know if you remember when we had issues with the stream. They helped a lot.
Yeah, I know.
All right. So we have the Git commit hook, and I guess the next thing would be a gong create, which creates a ticket from a template. This is to me, this is the most involved feature, because for Jira, for example, you need to go through like, and this is for me one of the most frustrating things about Jira is that you need to go through like 14 different fields to create a ticket. So what we need is, it's a very involved process. So the setup to just basically be able to do it is very cumbersome. So we'll have to see how we make it as friendly as possible for the user. So there is a UX issue, and there is a setup issue. And when I say UX, I obviously don't mean UI, right? So this is literally UX, so the user experience with the CLI. All right, so I think we can start with the Git commit hook, and kind of see where it takes us, in terms of how easy or how hard
Why
it is.
would there be a, so this is a CLI tool. Why would there be a UX?
Well,
User experience,
yeah,
not user interface.
exactly. That's why I say, it's like I say I don't mean UI, it's UX, right?
Got it.
So yes. What else? So this is what we have to do. Okay?
Yeah.
So the question is, where do you want to start?
Commit hook. It looks like commit hook. It's a simpler one. Should try to get it out of the way.
Okay. All right. So let's do that.
Because we might not be able to finish create in one session. I got a feeling.
Oh, we're gonna finish. Come on, man.
In one single session?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
All right. Let's do commit hook.
Okay, so let's do the Git commit hook. So now, and I have another question here, and this is, a serious question, and I'm also asking, people in the chat room. Now we have like 6 people. They they outrule us. It's a democracy here.
Sure.
So how much do you want me to go into the process of explaining the entire Git commit hook type of thing, rather than just go and implement it? Because for me, if I go and I implement it, I don't really need much. So the question is, do you want me to go through like the process of, hey, let's look at the documentation of what is the Git commit hook and how do you do that and stuff like that, right? So that's a question you need to answer. All right, Stevens is dead. Um,
No. Like I thought you're asking the chat room.
well, I'm asking you because I'm directly speaking to you. But if people in
Oh,
the
okay.
chat room want to
All
be
right.
involved, then they can be involved.
Okay. Okay. So how much do I want you to explain? As much as possible.
Okay.
You know,
All
that's
right.
what I want.
So let's look at Git commit hooks. Okay, and Git commit hooks. You can see there's this. And then there's a lot of documentation about what the commits hooks actually do. But there is the prepare commit message hook. Okay?
Uh-huh.
And prepare commit message, essentially what it does, it prepares the commit message. So basically, before Git opens up the editor or before it stamps the commit with what you passed in, it essentially does the prepare commit message. So it executes this command. All
So
right.
how do we access that hook?
All right. So Git is decentralized, right?
Okay.
100% decentralized. So have you ever looked into this folder, like the .git of your directory? Never, right? Never.
Sometimes. No. I've seen. I look
Never.
at it before.
Never.
No, I
All right.
have. I have.
So .git, and then inside Git, as you can see, there's commit edit message, fetch head, config, description, hooks, and so on and so forth.
Oh.
So
Wait,
we
where
can
is
go.
this again? This is at my home directory.
No, in every repository. In
cd.git.
the root
No.
directory of every single repository.
No. If I do cd.git, I don't see anything.
Are you in a repository?
Yes.
No, you're not.
Yes, I'm in a repository.
Are you in the root directory of that repository? Is that a Git repository?
Oh, I see.
Okay. So now,
It has to be the root.
yes.
That's the thing.
Yeah, that's what I said 3 times. All right, so cd.git. And then as you can see, we have some things here. And one of those things is hooks. And as you can see here, there is a couple of samples. So pre-receive sample, pre-rebase, update, and prepare commit message dot sample. You have to put headphones on. I can hear myself echo, and it will drive me insane in a few seconds.
No, my headphone is on.
No, I can hear
My
echo. All right. So if we go to vim prepare commit message dot sample, what you'll see is you'll basically see this. An example hook script to prepare the commit log message called by git commit with the name of the file, blah, 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 right? And does something.
Wow, I never knew this existed. You're right. I never really went into this.
Yeah, like I told you, you never did it.
I never did it. I've never seen this shit before.
Okay. So then here you also have a pre-commit, right? And then you have a pre-apply patch, pre-update, commit message.sample, and so on and so forth, right?
Why is this like with a star and the other one
And it's
pre-received is without a
executable.
star? Oh, executable.
No, so Kraken, when he said he'd never seen Git, he means he never looked at the .git folder, and it's pretty common, you know. It's pretty common that people work with Git and never looked into the .git folder. Most people don't even know it's there. All right, so prepare commit message. MSG. So let's see what we have here. So prepare commit message.
So these are just shell scripts, right?
Yeah, exactly. Just shell scripts that can do anything you want, right? So there, for example, here's my commit message script as an example. We have name, git branch, description, git config, and then echo description, something, something, something. Automatically adds branch name and branch description to every commit message. Right, so here it is, right? Let's just take this one. Okay?
So okay, so this is his customized Git. Okay,
All right.
all right. So what are you
So,
gonna do?
well, I'm just gonna put it.
Put it where?
Okay. So let's see. Commit message here. Commit message dot sample. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to create a file called commit message, right? And then I'm gonna put this here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to chmod this to be executable. Okay. So
What did
now
you do with this file? No, what did you do? Chmod what?
chmod plus x commit message, and now this file is executable.
Okay.
And now let's do this, right? So I have to do here, and let's do git add to do. Okay. And let's do git checkout dash b feature some feature. And now what I'm going to do is look at this. So git commit dash m. This is a sample commit message. All right?
Go. Okay.
I committed it.
Yeah, nothing happened.
Okay, are you sure? Look at the commit message.
Feature.
All right, so if I do git log, and let's look at this. Okay, so it added this feature. This is a sample commit message.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I go again to like this git folder, hooks, and commit message, and what I do is I do, what is description? Git config branch name dot description. What is this? Automatically adds.
Echo name cat.
Let's see what this does for a sec. So echo name. So this is feature.
So it just adds the feature, some feature at the beginning of the commit message.
Yeah.
That's what it's saying.
No, but what I'm saying, you can do anything you want, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is one, and then what is description? So dot branch, git config branch. What is git config branch do? Key does not. Okay, so doesn't really matter. So what you see here is we can do vim vim this. So what I can do here is I can do what is this? So echo $1 is the original commit message. So I can have echo $1, which is the original commit message. Then I can echo this. So some issue, and then some link, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So now let's touch to do, and let's echo the space into to do, and git add to do, and git commit. This is a sample commit message, right?
Some issue, something. I see it. I see
Okay.
it. Cool. Okay, so this is how hooks work, basically.
Yeah. So this is how hooks works, and you see this is a sample commit message, right? And if I do this, so I do git show this, so this is a sample commit message, right? Cool. All right. So now we can ride on that, right? So what we need to do is we need to put all right. So let me just do something else. Okay, so let's create a file in my USR bin. Let's create a file. Sorry, so vim in my bin directory. So dot bin. So dot files bin. Let's do prepare message. Right.
Why are you making this file? Why do you make it in Bing?
What?
Dot file.
No, because what I
What's
want
the
to show
purpose?
you that you don't have to do. It doesn't really matter. What I wanted to show you is that you don't have to put the stuff in that file. You can call another script from that file, and then have that script output the message for you.
Oh, so that script will just call like a executable?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the purpose? So we can share that file across different projects?
No, it's not.
Why do you make that trip? Why don't you just write the
because
code in?
because that's what I'm telling you is that the commit hook is just a thin wrapper, right? I want the thin wrapper to always be the same, but I want, for example, if you update Gong, then the commit message might change based on whether you updated Gong or not, but you don't have to update the commit hook anymore, right? So that's why.
Okay.
Because commit hook does not come with the repository. Do you see what I'm saying? So now that I have this commit hook, it's local to me. It's not.
Right.
If I now push, it doesn't push the hooks.
Oh, okay. So it doesn't push the hook. No, okay, I get it. So how do you make sure that everybody that download this repository gets the hook? Right.
You can't. That is not Git.
So this thing only works locally?
Well, yes, you have to explicitly say Gong apply commit hook or something like that. So you will have to do it manually and then do it like this. You know what I mean?
So is that what we're setting up? So we're gonna make a custom file, allow it to call it.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Now I get it. Yeah. Thank you for the detailed explanation.
All right. So let's take this. So let's do git checkout develop, and then let's do git flow feature start commit hook. All right. And
This
now
is pretty cool.
this
one
here.
is cool.
All right. So let's open up Vim and let's look at our dot git hooks commit message. So let's go back to this. So this is the name of the branch, and then this is the description. All right. So we have this. We have this. So I don't actually want to do it in the commit message. I want to do it in prepare commit message. Prepare commit message. Prepare commit message. There it is. What is this? So branch, git branch, grab file, cat.1. What is this? So let's see what the dude asked here. I need some help with bash script that will automatically add the git branch name as a hash in commit messages. Okay, so we have name, we have description, then we have merge. I don't know what this is. Prepare commit message, add branch name, and then 2, 3. What is this? My God. Squashes. Name, body. First blank line is title. Second break is for body. Third is start of body. Put a string, branch name at the start of commit message. Dude, people are making things so hard. Prepare commit message. Let's see what we have here. Prepare branch excluded. No, that's not what I want. Okay. Okay, this is what I want. Okay, so here's what I want. So I want to hear echo this doesn't actually echo. Story number said. Oh, said actually does it? Why does everything looks hard? Why do you think everything looks hard? Why does Google group with everything behind a?
Google is shady.
Automatically as a branch name this. Okay, here's what I want. I see you make code in stuff. I don't know. Compared to me, I am a calculator programmer compared to you. Okay.
What is calculator programming?
I don't know.
Yeah, I was curious. Kraken, what does calculator programmer mean?
I can't program calculators.
Oh.
I definitely can't program calculators.
I can't either. Does that mean you're more like a lower level engineer that you
Anyway,
work with?
he's saying it's a joke when we're overthinking a joke.
Oh my god. All right.
So
I took it too serious.
yeah.
I was thinking about embedded programs and stuff like that. You know, I'm definitely overthinking stuff.
Okay, so let's see what happens. Stevens has no sense of humor.
Well, usually I do, but you know.
Stevens has no sense of humor.
All right, I'll try.
Okay, so we are here and what else? So let's see. Prepare commit message. Merge. All right. Pre-commit. Post update. Commit message. Okay. Cool. So let's go to prepare commit message because that's what we're gonna use. All right. Are you with me? Damn, man. Did you die again?
Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
You see? Like your internet is just impossible.
So I'm just saying, are you just trying to find the script that does
No,
the
no, I'm not
pre-commit?
trying to find a script. Just first I need to decide whether I need to use commit message or prepare commit message, and I've decided I want to use prepare commit message.
Okay.
Okay, and now I had that. Cancel dev git tracker. I had a project like that with Ruby, and that project had this file. So you see prepare commit message, and story is branch dot story number exit and a story, and then it says story number from branch. So let's see, story equals story number from branch, message equals commit message dot new, and then exit, and then keywords, message addition, keywords, story, message dot append. Cool. Okay. So we can do that. And then story number from branch. Where does we take story number from branch? Is branch dot story number. Where is branch coming from? Brett is coming from branch. So let's go to branch dot rb and branch name git symbolic ref head. That's the branch. All right. So we can do that. Okay?
Okay.
Awesome. So now let's go to our CMD here, main.go. And what we're going to do is we are going to add a new command here. And this command name is hook. Or you know what, let's call it prepare commit message. Okay, like so.
Okay.
And the usage is going to be, this is a prepare commit message hook for Git. All right.
Okay.
And what else do we need? We need line 41 up. Yes, line 41 down. Paste it here. Line 42 up. This, and then paste this here. And close this, and do this, and then do that, and then do this, do this, do this, do this. All right, cool. So now we return nil here. Awesome. So we have a basic CLI sample. All right.
Okay.
So one thing we need is this. Line 20, line 18 down is this. So bytes, and then let's go up 50 lines. So bytes and error, and then do this. We'll eventually need to refactor this file as well. It's getting very repetitive. Okay,
Yes.
so now we have this, but this is going to be commit message. Okay.
So in and out read. So this is gonna read from OS std out.
This
Right?
is std in. You can't read from
This is
std out.
Okay, this is gonna read from std in.
Yeah.
Color the red. Commit message equals to string bytes. Okay.
Okay. So now this is this, and what we are going to do here is we are going to say patched commit message equals to this, and then this is going to be so this is fump.sprintf this, and then this is going to be the star s, and then this is going to be issue ID and issue link. Okay.
Okay.
So then this is patch commit message, and then we're going to fumpt print line of patched commit message and return nil.
Oh,
Okay?
we're just gonna do it inside of here. Okay, so we're not gonna
Well,
custom.
no. Just 1 second. This is just the proof of concept stage.
Okay.
All right. So now let's split this and do go build. And let's echo this is the commit message and pipe that into Gong. Prepare commit message. CMD Gong build. All right, so fump, go imports, go imports, fumpt is missing, build, commit message, and of course, this should be commit message here, and then build. All right, so now we do the same thing, echo. All right.
Okay.
You see this? What it put in the output?
Yeah, that's.
Okay, so let's build again, and I don't want the spaces. So cool. All right.
Cool.
So now, if I go to go install, and I say which Gong, so Gong is here, Gong version, Gong dash version. We are on 1.2. Awesome. So if I go to Git, so CMD.
Why do you do go install?
Go install basically installs it across my system. So now I have Gong here as well, not only in the folder I built it. Roadski, welcome back. All right, so vim.get hooks, and then prepare message sample. And here, and now this is Gong. So sorry, this is $1, and then Gong prepare commit message.
What's $1 again?
$1 is what the original commit message is. All right, and then this is mv to this, and then .git hooks prepare commit message, prepare commit message without this. Cool. And now if I say git st git add cmd git st git commit sample commit message, commit message permission denied.
Permission denied. Shemot? You need to shemot it.
Sample commit message. Permission denied. Git commit message permission denied. This is interesting. All right, let's
Why is this not a .sh file? This is the file name is just prepare commit message.
Yeah, yeah. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be. Oh, so this should be this, and now, and now we'll do the, so we'll do the. Oh man, I lost my train of thought. So now we'll do this again. So commit. What? Sprocket Rails? What is this doing? All right. So this is this, and then commit. So git line 1 bin sh no such file or directory. What is happening?
Hey, sorry for this stupid question. I got one more, man.
Yeah, just 1 second.
I really wanted to ask.
Just 1 second. So prepare commit message, and then here prepare commit message, and then this git tracker prepare commit message, and then dollar this. Oh, okay. All right.
I still see permission denied.
Yeah, I still see it too, but we'll do it in a second. So this is $1. All right, so now it's working. And if we go to git log, then we see sample commit message. And if we look at git show this, we see sample commit message, which means that it did not tag it with the recent like tag ID. So Golang prepare commit message. So git tracker. So I wonder whether this prints to. So let's try and wrap all of this with an echo like so. And let's echo to do, add to do, and commit. Okay, so what is happening here? No such file or directory. This is weird. This is weird. Okay, and then git log. So sample commit message here. So git show here. And this still doesn't really give us what we want. So I wonder why. So we'll do this.
Let's just add like a static something to it. See if it works. Instead of calling Golang prepare commit message, let's try to add like a static thing.
Well, we can call, like so. We can call git. So sh.git hooks prepare commit message with like this. So it's saying command not found. So, so let's do echo $1 here. Okay, so this is good. And now this. All right, and now.
I see that.
Yeah, and now let's do another echo here and add this to do and say commit commit message.
Cool.
No, well, let's see. So now git log, and we have this. So git show, and I still see only that message. I don't see the original message.
Maybe because it only shows the first line. It doesn't show. Could it be because it needs to be on the same line or something?
No. No, I think it's a matter of std out and like what does this print to. So I think this should go to $1. So echo this and add and commit. And now git log. Oh, it's no, this is wrong. All right, so let's do this. No. So git log, and the commit message is totally wrong. So git show this. Well, you see? But it
Now
gave
it
us the
works.
wrong. Well, it partially works because it output. The output is correct. So let's do. Before we do something here, so let's do echo $1 and then echo $this. So let's do.
What's $@?
Just one second. One second. Add to do and then commit sample commit message. So this is this. This is this. So how do I get the prepare commit message here? So git. So prepare commit message and add my branch name and add my branch. Okay, so this should only return the story. So all this should return is like story and then link. Like so.
Really?
So echo, I think so. Let's see. So commit, add to do, and then commit.
Now I don't.
So git log, and then there it is. So here, but it didn't like implement.
Yeah, it didn't include it in the message.
So this.
Put it to $1. Maybe that'll work.
So then add to do, commit, and git log, and git show. But now we don't have the $1. Right, so.
Because this became $, so we need the original $1 and append this to the $1.
Where is body here? Cat. Oh, I see this. So cat $1. This one. Okay, so this, and then let's do this.
Okay.
Okay, so this worked. It didn't work exactly like I wanted it to work, but it worked.
How do you know it worked? You didn't even check.
Oh, I did. Here it is.
Where? Are you looking
Here,
at
the
another
top.
screen?
No, at the top.
No, wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, so it worked.
Yeah, I did. So the question is, what is different about this? Um,
So what's wrong with this?
so let's do cat $1 and pipe that into gong prepare commit message, and then echo all of this into $1. All right, so now echo to do, and then add to do and commit sample commit message, and it looks good. Sample
Yeah,
commit
this is
message, and then issue ID and issue link. This is coming from
this is coming from Gong.
yeah,
Gong.
and what I can do also now is to let's do echo this and then git add to do, and then what I can do is git commit, which will open my editor. And then I can do this is something, 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 and save. And no, this did not work. So I wonder if for that we need the commit message and not the prepare commit message. So let's do gong. So sorry, git log, and you see this worked, but this didn't.
What worked and what didn't?
So the one that I edited in my editor did not work. So prepare commit message inspired.
Before you move too far, can I like ask a question?
So pre-commit. What is pre-commit? Pre-commit. Let's see. Prepare commit message editor commit. So if I want to edit the commit, append ticket number using git commit hooks. Let's see. So this, and what is this? You missed one. The hook you want is commit message. Okay, so we need to copy. So .git hooks prepare commit message to git hooks commit message, like so. And
Yep.
then let's do echo here, and let's do this, and let's add to do, and let's do commit, like so. Oh, if applied, this will explain this change is being made. Okay. So this. You did not edit the message. This is not good. So let's rm-f .git commit edit message. And let's do git commit. This is not good.
Looks like you broke something. One of the hooks is messed up.
So I think I know what it is. So commit message. You see?
Yeah.
This it does echo. And prepare commit message is this, and commit message is like this. Yes.
So you should remove the prepare commit message then, right? Don't you? You have
No,
the same.
one does it for that and one does it for the other. So this is this is this. Let's save this. Okay, so this is not what I want. And then here, And then this should do into $1. So let's try this. No.
Okay.
No, it didn't work. Um, so let's touch echo this and add and do git commit. So let's do this. Git show. And there it is.
So it's working.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, can I ask my question now?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is regarding the Git hook. So basically, it has all the sample here, but before we do anything custom, there is no hooks by default, right? These are just sample files. They don't get wrong at all.
Yeah.
All right. So only when we remove the .sample from the file and put some shell script in there, then it gets ran.
Yeah.
Okay. Another question is on a lot of your shell script, I see this thing, /bin /bang /bin/sh. What does that mean?
It means it
Line
executes it as a shell. Executes
So
using
this is,
sh. You can do bean sh, or you can do bean bash. So you'll see a few, and there's also bean python. So usr bean python. So you can do what is this, right? So if it's Ruby, then what you'll see is where is this? So here it is. So you'll see like user bean env bash, and you see user bean env python, user bean env ruby, and so on and so forth.
so this line of code basically says the execution is a shell script.
So you see it here. This is user bean
where?
env ruby in my browser.
Let me see that. Okay, it's user bean env. Oh, so it's kind of telling the program what what you should execute with. Is that right? Got it. Okay.
Yes.
So the Git hook is pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So what we need to do is we need to kind of put this into the into our Go program. By the way, people in the chat room, you are pretty quiet today. Feel free to ask questions. All right. So first, let's do this. And then we will go to cmd main.go. And here, what we will have is a /n and then /n here again. And then this will be the s, and this will be s, like so. And this will be commit message, and this will be issue ID, and this will be issue link. Okay. Come on, man! Don't be hard on us. It just we just weren't clear on what you were saying. Don't be hard on us, and we're trying. It's like it's hard working with Stevens here. It's like
give us more time to adapt to.
I need to explain so many things. Like, give me a break. Okay, so now we have the prepare commit message. And we now need to do this in the client. And for that, we need a prepare commit message. And this is going to get the branch name and the commit message. And it's going to give us back a string, right?
Okay.
And what we need now is to add this to jira.go. And let's put this, I don't know, here. And this is prepare commit message. And it's going to accept a branch name and a commit message, which are both strings. String, what I can type, and it's going to return a string. I can type today. All right, so now let's return this. Or actually, let's return, where is this? So, here. So let's return this.
So here, the issue ID and issue link, we already have it, right?
Well, we will have it. So now we are going to fake it. So issue ID equals to fake, and then issue link equals to fake link. Fake link. Okay.
Okay.
So now this. All right. So let's do commit message, and we also need the branch name. This one here. So let's put this here. Branch name, args air, out air. Cool. Okay, so let's do go build. This will likely fail. And it does. So branch name and commit message string. New Jira client is type client. So return patched. Go build. Okay, why can't it use? Does not implement prepare commit message. So prepare. What? Where is it? Oh, I put it in the client here. Client.go. Prepare commit message. And then here. Prepare commit message is this. So, so this should be Jira client, obviously. What is going on with me today? Okay, so this is this, and now go build. And now the build passed. So we are golden. And now what we need to do is we need to go to the client test.go, and we need to add here, we need to add a fake prepare commit message, which is going to be a branch name and a commit message, which are both a string, and it's going to return a string, and then this is going to return fake commit message, right?
Okay.
So now this is here. So I'm going to paste this. And this is going to be test prepare commit message, and client is going to be a fake client. Branch name is going to be this, and then this is going to be commit message, and this is going to be prepare commit message, client branch name, and commit message, and this is going to be new message, and then assert new message equals to this is where is it? Fake commit message. Fake commit message. Okay, so go test. This will fail. This is good. And now we are on client.go here. So client.go, we have prepare commit message. We should accept a client, which is a client, a branch name, and a commit message, which are strings, and going to return a string. And then this is going to return client dot prepare message with the branch name and the commit message. Save this. Go test. Testing, pass. Okay?
Where are you doing go test? Because I don't see that on my screen.
Go test. Bottom left
Oh,
corner.
you can. Oh,
Enter. Pass. Okay?
Got it.
So now this is this, and prepare commit message, prepares the commit message, and returns a new commit message. All right, so this is here. Cool?
Cool.
Right, so now we are getting somewhere. I'm not sure where yet, but somewhere. All right, and now in our client, so this is jira.go. What we're going to do is we're going to get, so we first have the issue ID equals to get issue ID and branch name here, right? And then URL. Where is the issue URL? There it is. So browse, and then URL and nil. So I can actually return browse, and this will return the URL. So the naming is not 100%, but I mean, I think we can live with it. So then URL and error equals to j.browse. Browse with branch name. And then error. So we are going to return commit message. And then this is this, and then commit message, issue ID, and URL. All right? So this is prepare commit message, returns a string with the issue ID in the link. All right? So now cmd main.go. new authenticated client. So this is what we're going to do first. So no, I don't usually do heavy commenting. I think this code is pretty self-explanatory. So I tried to keep my method really, really short. But I don't usually do really heavy commenting. I think if you, well, I don't know. I don't. So this is gone new authenticated client, and then error.nil, color.red, and then return error, and then rev parse, and then we have the branch name, and then the commit message is going to be gong dot. So this is fumpt dot new commit message is going to be fumpt dot. No, it's going to be gong dot prepare commit message client branch name and commit message. Where's the commit message, by the way? Here. Okay, so commit message, and then fumpt dot print line new commit message. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we can test this without. So first, let's do go build here and undefined branch name. Yes. So branch name. So let's do go build. And we're golden. Okay. So let's do this. Git branch. And this is our feature with, the stuff in it. So let's do this. Git add this. Git commit -m. Checkpoint.
Let's see if it
Well, no. So git checkout.
No, this is not going
Git
to.
checkout feature glob test issue. No, it will not let me. So let's do stash dash. Or you know what? Let's git checkout -b feature, and then do this -new. All right. And now what we can do is we can go to cmd gong, and then we can echo this is a message and pipe this into gong prepare commit message and go build and this. All right.
We have an extra line. Seems like.
Yeah, I want the extra line.
Why?
Because I want it to be the final line. This /n shouldn't be here, so let's see why it's here. Yeah. All right, but did you see how awesome it is?
But this is already working. Right?
Yeah.
I'm wondering, where did you get the commit prepare commit message? I want to see the code for prepare commit message again.
Here it is.
Because
it's like sometimes.
No. Prepare commit message.
This is in the generic client.
Right. I want to see that.
Yeah, here it is. One line of code.
The Jira client, not the generic one.
Oh my
Jira
God.
client. Yeah, that's where the implementation is.
So this is /n. So why is this printing the /n? I don't want to print the /n this way.
This is the Jira client, right? So issue ID is get issue ID, and URL because j.browse, we already have the logic to generate the URL, and then we return patch message equals to this commit message, your return patched message. If error doesn't equal to nil. So basically, if we have an error, we will still be returning the original commit message.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, got it. Got it. Thank you.
Okay.
So did you
So
you
now,
figure out where the dash n came from?
yeah. So I fixed it. So now cd this, and then git add jira.go, and then we can do git commit -m commit message tagging works.
Wow, this is pretty cool.
And it doesn't. Issue ID, issue link, issue ID, issue link. Where did this come from? Oh, Gong install.
So when you do go install, it means that the Gong goes to your user Bing. Is that what it does?
Yeah.
But you have to do that after you do go build, right? Or does it do build for you? No, it doesn't work right now.
It doesn't work. So vim.get hooks and commit message. So Gong prepare commit message. And then prepare commit message is this. Huh. So issue ID, issue link suggests. So which Gong? Gong dash version.
Yeah, I think you have the older version installed. That's
so let's do a bump version patch. And then git add main.go -p, and this will do v1.1. And then dot bump version, commit -m, and then build, and then go install, and then go -- version. So now we're on 1.1, and then commit. Okay.
There we go.
But it's duplicate, which means we only need one.
Yeah, you have two hooks now. We only need one of the hook, I think.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rm-f .git hooks prepare commit message. Okay, and then echo. So someone asked me if I made any games, and I only made one game, which I don't know if I would even call it a game, with my daughter.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, I don't know if I would really call it a game, but maybe. So this is the only thing close to a game that I ever made. So check it out. Okay, so we did this, and then we're gonna echo this, and then we're gonna add to do, and then we're going to commit this, and
so now it's working.
glog, and then here, so this.
So which hook you end up leaving? Commit message, right? You remove prepared commit message.
Glog. So git show this, and this works, but it doesn't give us the. So this should be. I think this should give us these. I think this should have a /n here. So cdcmd Gong, and then this, and then bump version patch. Jira.go git commit -m test. Okay, and then cd cmd gong, and then bump version, patch, git st. So now go build and go install. cmd, commit. No, it still doesn't work.
What's not working?
It's not breaking the line.
Which hook did you end up removing? Like, how many hook do we have right now?
Okay, so let's do this.
You gonna answer my question or not?
Dude, just give me a second.
All right.
Okay, so this is this, and then we need only the issue ID and the URL. And I think this is cmd gong go build. This will fail to build. No, it doesn't actually fail to build. And then in our here, vim.git commit, so hooks, and then commit message. So cat, and then cat -1, and then pass this into prepare commit message, and then say so $1 /n/n, and then this. Okay. And then build and go install.
Do you need the bump?
We'll see in a second. Anyway, the commit message is good. cd gong, so cd cancel dev gong, and git add Jira commit. Okay. Now this works. No, it's not. glog.
No, I mean the line is breaking.
Yeah, the line is breaking.
So my question is, which hook are you using right now? Is it the prepared commit message or the commit message?
Commit message.
So you remove the prepared commit message?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
awesome.
Now what I want to do is do echo here, and then git add to do, and git commit. And here's what I want. So this here. And glog.
What?
And let's do this. Cancel dev. Fucking stupid. Just a sec.
Git show cancel dev?
No, no.
Serious?
No, I'm stupid. This. And then git show this. No, it still doesn't work on this one.
I don't. Yeah. What's the difference between this one and the other one? I don't understand.
I don't either.
This one is when you do it from the command line, right? Which is std in. The other one is when you use vim. Oh, I think the hook probably only works when it's coming from the shell, right? Maybe the hook doesn't get triggered when you customize it to use vim.
So let's see. Okay, so git hooks and then commit message, and we're gonna copy this into git hooks prepare commit message, and now echo this and add and then commit. And do this. And no, it didn't work. No.
Nope. But when you do git commit and then put a string in there, it works, right?
Yeah. Commit
Like
works. So I think I know what the problem is.
What's the problem? What's the problem?
Okay, so the problem is if you just do gong prepare commit like so, then it hangs waiting for std in. If you do something like this, then this works. So what I wonder, this just needs to return. I wonder what the difference between the prepare one So let's do this, for example, in the prepare commit message, okay? So dash git hooks prepare commit message and paste this. And then echo add and then commit. So this still doesn't do it.
How do you know it's not working?
No, it's not. It's not. It's not working.
No.
Let's try this one. All right. All right, so let's try this one. Okay, so this commit edit message is $1. So commit edit message. Okay. Echo add commit. This doesn't work as well. Oh. Hooks. I didn't put the correct file. I'm so stupid. So cat 1 to this, and then cat 1. So this, and then here we're gonna do cat 1 / n, and then $1. Let's see. Echo this, and then add to do. No. Damn it. Okay, let's do this.
Did it work?
No, it didn't. So let's do git hooks prepare commit message, and I think what I'm missing is this, and then this. All right, cool. Now we're getting somewhere, and here it is.
What was the issue?
I don't know. Let's see. Cat 1, no such file or directory. So this is the problem, cat 1. So actually, and now commit. And here it is.
Okay, yeah, okay. All right. But, so does that mean we need both hooks?
Yeah.
Prepare message
Yeah.
and commit message.
Yeah, prepare message and commit message.
Got it. Okay. Now the question is how do other people use this?
Okay, here it is. You see?
Yeah. Oh, I see it.
Okay, so first things first. Let us clean up. Right, so this is this, this is this. So now we're going to do some Git mastery. Because look at our Git log. It's like messy, 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 right?
Yeah.
So we are going to rebase -I on develop.
Okay.
And then we are going to take all of these, and instead of pick, we are going to fix up these. And then we are going to reword this one.
What does fix up mean?
This is going to be one commit here. So this is testing out the initial version of the commit hook.
Is that the same as squash?
No, squash. Fix up basically means squash and ignore the commit message of the other one, and so that's fix up. And squash basically means squash and take the commit message of the commit I squashed.
So one is with commit message, the other one is without commit message.
Yeah. All right. So now we are going to check out. Feature git checkout feature commit hook, and we are going to merge in feature glob 9387 new, and we have some conflicts, so let's resolve these. Okay, and let me just show it correctly on the screen. What is this? I don't care about this at all. So this, and then main.go, it's probably just a version, so we're gonna grab the newest one, and then here we need IO branch new commit message, and then this. So we're going to take this one, save, remove, and now we are good. So we are going to continue, and then the git commit -m merging. All right, and now we are going to rebase on develop again. Okay, and now we are going to fix up. So pick is going to be fix up, and then here this is going to be a reward. All right, so then this is working on the pre-commit and commit hooks. Okay, so this is removing this and save. Bam. So what now? Okay, conflict, merge tool. And I really don't care about this file. Save. And main.go, same thing again. So version, we're going to grab the version 1.2.2. And then here we're going to grab this and save it. Right, so save and continue with the rebase. And this, all of these are gone. Save this, and then git push origin feature commit hook. And look how clean our history is now. Okay,
Nice.
so this is this, prepare, one commit, okay, working on the pre-commit, and then we have all the prepare commit message, we have version 1.2.2, right?
Yep.
So awesome. So now this looks very, very good for us. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a bit of another thing here. So we're going to build this. And then what we're going to do is merge this into develop.
Question here. So, but this still only works on your local, right? Because whoever that download the repository don't have the
Yeah,
hook
we're
file.
gonna add that to the README to add those files to your Git commit hooks, right?
Okay.
And eventually we're gonna also say, do it. So you're gonna have like Git, Gong install commit hooks or something like that, right?
Yeah.
So now git sync here. All right, so we have a sync. People in the chat room, you're really quiet. Let us know if you have any questions. All right, so now, so git flow release start. Let's do 1.3.0. And then we are going to bump version minor. And then we are on 1.3.0. Okay, and we are going to do this. Right, so now we're building. And this will take a second. And tomorrow we need to add a bit of README because I think the project now desperately needs some README. So now cd this, git add, git commit -m, bumping the version, commit hooks working, and then git flow release finish 1.3.0. It's okay. Git checkout master, git pull, origin master. All right, and then finish. All right. All right.
Okay.
So now we have this. So what we can do is cmd gong, and then gong amd, now Darwin -- version. So this is 1.3. So let's open this here. And then here we can have releases. So we're going to draft a new release. And we are going to say this is on 1. What? Git push -- tags. Where is 1.3.0? So there is 1.3.0. So draft 1.3.0. And then commit hooks working and more cleanup on the API. And then here, I'm going to grab all of these, upload them. And then this is a major milestone. Now the commit hooks are working, so you can actually count on the issue ID and link to be in each and every one of your commits. Enjoy. Okay, so this is publish the release, and now we have a release with the latest version. And now our README is about 3 versions behind our main project. So we're gonna have to edit the release notes.
But did we merge develop into master?
Yeah, develop and master and everything is synced.
Okay.
So let's do master and git push. All right. So yes, someone is asking a question. Kraken is asking a question. Can you explain why do we exactly add .readme files? So yeah, definitely a user manual, how to create the project, how to use the project, how to build the project, anything you really need that is not like hardcore documentation of the code. How do you start the project? Which version of Python do you need? Which version of Ruby do you need? Which version of Go do you need? Where is the style guide? Do we have a style guide? For CLI, it's like, well, how do you use it? What's the usage? And so on and so forth.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So thank you, Stevens. And thank you, people in the chat room. Stevens, you were in doubt that we will do this today. In one session.
No, I wasn't doubting this one. I was doubting the other one. The other one we were gonna do next session.
Yeah. So the other one we're gonna do the next session. That means the Gone create.
Yep.
Yes. So we're gonna do this in the next session.
Okay. Thanks, Avi.
All right. So thank
awesome.
you.
I think the Git hooks is a pretty interesting feature.
And we will see you all on Monday.